5-minute meditation for positive thoughts. These next few moments, your thoughts will embody all things positive. You will release any negative thinking. It is not allowed within these next 5 minutes. Imagine right now, in this moment, a beautiful, radiant energy surrounding you, almost like a positive bubble. Imagine that in detail right now. Throughout your day today, you will be more consciously aware of all the thoughts that pass through your stream of consciousness. And as you notice thoughts that do not support you, that are not positive in nature, you will envision this beautiful bubble surrounding your body. You will stop and pause and take a moment to recognize, to become aware of the mind and the power you have and the role that you play. Now bring your awareness to your breath, the constant, the healing, your energy source. Place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on your abdomen. You may feel the beating of your heart along with the rise and fall of your chest. Say thank you to yourself for this time you are allowing and for the breath of life. Say thank you for this body that you get to embody to do your life's work, to give to others, to feel joy. It's easy to focus on the negative, the things that aren't going right. Our brains, our survival, our adaptive ability is focused on those things to keep us safe. But you are safe. You are safe. Repeat the following. I will no longer allow negativity to rule my consciousness. I will no longer allow negativity to rule my consciousness. Repeat that mantra for the next few moments. Well done. Now repeat. I choose my thoughts, and they are positive. I choose my thoughts, and they are positive. You are in charge of how you think and how you feel. And what a wonderful feeling that is, to know that you get to decide how you respond, how you think, and how you feel. Now go out and enjoy this positive energy that you have created. Enjoy the new you.